Hey guys, this is Ryan. Wanted to get on here and make a video, something that was easy to search. Put it on YouTube. Anybody can find it on YouTube. I had a hell of a time searching for it. So when I finally found this information from RAM, I wanted to make sure it was easy to find. So with that, I have pasted on the screen here. This is just a description of the wires and what they map to. I did not go out and film myself connecting said wires. That part's pretty straightforward. But this information came from RAM. You can find it. I don't have the link handy, but kind of give you an idea. Here is the picture that I got from them. So this is for 2013 to 2018. Pretty straightforward. I've already tested it. It works. Everything's pretty good. So good luck to you guys who are doing the same thing, and I hope this helped.